What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Diego's Garage. If you guys may not know already, I bought this 1999 Camaro Z28 for $2,800. Today we're gonna be painting the valve covers. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get to it.
You're goddamn right.
As you can see, this LS1 is pretty dirty, seen better days. Let's freshen it up a little bit, get it cleaned up. Sticking around watching my videos, it helps the channel a lot. But anyways, yes, the engine bay looks a lot way more cleaner. All that dust off, makes it cleaner to work around. So today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the valve covers on each side, driver and passenger, and prep them and paint them and then put them back. I am gonna put a new gasket set on there. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, got the ignition coil mounting brackets, both sides out the way. Now it's time to remove the valve covers. There's a 4 on each side, 8mm, holding them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get to it. I want you guys to check this out real quick. Look at the springs and everything. It's pretty clean. I mean, this car only has 102,000 miles. Just needs an oil change is all. I'm pretty pleased. Alright, we finally got the valve covers off. Finally. You can see they're pretty dirty, but not to worry. We're gonna take care of it, clean it up real quick, scuff it up, put some denatured alcohol on it, and then spray away.
The next day.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and wash these valve covers. We'll use Purple Power, Dawn soap, and some scrubbers to wipe off all the dirt and grime off. If Dawn can take off the oil off that duct, you can take off the dirt and oil on this. Let's get to it. Alright, it's time to prep these valve covers. See, not bad for water, Dawn, and Purple Power. Came out alright. Got all the grime off, the oil, dirt. Now we just gotta prep them, give them some good profile so the paint can stick. I'm gonna go over, this is what I had laying around in the garage. Some 360 grit, 600 grit. I got some scuffing pad as well, 360 grit. Gonna go over with these, see how it turns out. Alright y'all, got done with the 320 grit sandpaper. I even went over it with the Scotch-Brite. The Scotch-Brite, Scotch pad. And for the crammies and all that, the hard to reach places, I use a Dremel, the wire wheel. Now the next step is to go over it with 600 grit and then wipe it down with thinner, mask it off, and let's get ready to paint it. Alright, got the valve covers nice and prepped, masked off, wiped down, ready to go for paint. What I'm gonna use for paint, Duplicolor Engine Animal Gloss Black. A clear coat, it's a two-step process. So clear ceramic. These two can last up to 500 degrees, which is good. I'm gonna use my handy dandy Del Felsco gauge. 42.2 humidity, 21 point spread. We're good. All that checks out. Let's go ahead and paint them. Alright guys, I put 2 coats of gloss black on, followed by 2 coats of clear. Now just let it cure. The next day we should be installing these.
The next day.
What's up guys, today's the day. I installed back the valve covers. Paint's all cured up. But first, I'm going to install the new gasket set. And after that, pretty much install them. Kind of the same way we took them off, but reverse. So let's get to it. Paint came out okay, not too shabby, not my best work, but it's doable. It's gonna get hidden underneath the brackets anyways, but they'll really freshen up the engine bay more. So let's go ahead and install the gasket set, get to it. The gasket set I'm using is this Velcro I got from O'Reilly's. Pretty cheap, cost me like 30 bucks. Comes with all the O-rings and all that for the screws, and then the gasket itself between for the valve covers. Alright guys, let's install these valve covers. Gasket set. You guys see this little notch right there? That goes pointed down to the valve cover, and then on this side it goes to the heads. So remember that. See that notch to the valve covers? This side to the heads. I like to use some super glue to hang on like every 2 inches. Hang on to the gasket, because when you tend to install these, they tend to fall out, and then you're gonna run the risk of getting an oil leak, and we don't want that. I like to start at these little notches right here first. We don't need these old gaskets no more. For these rubber gaskets for the screws, just get your flathead, pry them off, just like that. For these new ones, just pry it in, put pressure into it. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna just wipe it down here with the blue rag where the gasket's gonna sit. Make sure it's all clean. Alright, let's go ahead and install the valve cover. Don't forget to install your vacuum hoses. One right here, and one back there. Right there. Alright, let's tie in the screws. Start from the middle, out. Next thing to do is install our coil pack mounting bracket. After you install your coil pack mounting bracket, install your spark plug wires. Alright, one side is done. That's good. Now for the other side. Same procedure. Ooyy! Alright, that's it. We are done. Both sides already installed. Passenger and driver. Looks pretty good. I wasn't really too sure whether to go with wrinkle black or gloss black, so I made a poll on Instagram and gloss black won. But yeah, hope this helps. This installation, painting, the gasket installation and everything. So you guys get a chance, you know, help our brother out, like and subscribe for more videos to come on this project Camaro. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Peace.